Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to add fractions. So 1/3 plus 2/6. And the first thing I want to do is make sure that the denominator or bottom number is the same size. And I know that I'm not dealing with things that are the same size. This is in thirds. I only have 1/3. And this is in sixths. And I have 2/6. So these little tiny ones are smaller than this bigger one. So I've got to make sure that I'm dealing with the same size of numbers if I'm going to add them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list, I have my 3 and I have my 6. And I'm going to start listing some factors or numbers that I get as a product when I multiply. So I've got 3, 6. Wait a minute. I know 6 times 1 is 6. So I want my lowest or smallest same factors. So I'm going to get 6 as my denominator that I want. So I'm just going to set it up. 2/6 is already in 6, so I'm going to keep the 2 there. And now I need to change. I need to write an equivalent fraction, something that is worth the same amount in thirds. So I'm going to multiply 1/3 times 1. But I'm going to write 1 as 2 over 2. I've got both halves or both parts. So when I multiply, I get 2/6 because I multiply 2 times 1 and 3 times 2. So now I'm going to write that up there. And now I can add. 2 plus 2 is 4, and it's out of 6. So my answer is 4/6. But wait a minute. I notice that 4/6 could be simplified. I know some things about division, and I know that 2 will go into 4 twice, and 2 will go into 6 3 times. So once I simplify, my final answer is 2/3. And I could check it if I wanted to by drawing it out. By drawing 1/3 plus 2/6. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to chop this into sixths. And I'm adding 2/6 there. So I'm going to add 2 more sixths. And I could count. I've got 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, and 4/6. And I could check that to my answer. And my answer is 4/6. I hope that that was helpful, and that is how to add fractions.